Hi, I'm Jeff Siegel, CTO of Hunter Strategy. We specialize in cybersecurity and digital transformation solutions. Today, I'm here to talk about vertical slice migration, or VSM, a Hunter Strategy framework we have successfully used to help migrate and evolve legacy systems rapidly. VSM exists to solve a problem that's simple to understand but very difficult to address. How do you incrementally replace a legacy monolith with a set of microservices? The word replace here is key because more likely than not, the team charged to do this might spend 3 full years incrementally building out microservices, but none of them will actually replace monolith based features until the entire capability is complete. This directly conflicts with mandates for modular modernization, performance, and security accountability. Colonel Jeffrey Strauss stressed this in a recent podcast interview on tech debt, saying, quote, "We cannot rip out the whole DoD network and start afresh." So, how does VSM solve this problem? Greg Venor, our Director of Software Engineering, will answer that next.
The first step of our VSM methodology is to re-platform the legacy monolith. The cost of replacing a monolith is often underestimated. Rewriting a monolith can lead to superficial cloud integrations, increasing cost without benefit. Our platform COTS component deploys a base toolset that cloud applications need. We measure progress with evidence-based DORA metrics integrated into the pipeline. Our customers observe a benefit to infrastructure consolidation and modernization from this step alone. With the legacy application buildable and deployable with automation, we employ our VSM method to evolve in place. We analyze the functional components during replatforming and map them to a vertical slice architecture, or VSA. VSA is less common than pre-cloud clean or hexagonal architecture, but practiced by software architecture leaders. VSA reduces coupling and increases coherence by dividing on function rather than tier. We use two key language agnostic technologies as accelerators, Dapper and gRPC. gRPC provides code generation and modularity for the software with consistent service interfaces, whether in place or extracted. Dapper provides cloud and local agnostic development APIs that operate with our observability platform and provide ready to use microservice patterns. These tools allow for cost effective extraction into microservices where it is warranted. And that is critical, knowing when to use a microservice. Our process is unique in using evidence based approaches. Hunter performed a survey of 8 studies examining these conversions, finding that pulling monoliths apart should be done for specific needs, not eagerly. Industry leaders like Netflix understand this as well, using both methods in their systems. We determine criticality, the inflection point for microservice extraction, by applying residuality theory, modeling slices in Kaufman networks, a data driven risk and resiliency analysis method. Now, Jeff will tell you about some of our success with the approach.
We have a track record of proven success with VSM. At one customer out of Air Mobility Command, we turned minimal investments into the legacy monolith into maximum success. We replatformed to AWS, built an enterprise ICAM integration, and kept the existing data schemas in place while adding a lightweight business layer. In turn, we saw performance gains as high as 10 times in critical areas of the system, cut the average delivery time for any given feature by nearly 50%, and eliminated the inherent risk of a big bang cutover. Wide adoption of VSM would have a huge impact on the entire DoD. It speeds up feature delivery by pushing feature replacements as they're built rather than via waterfall. This naturally enables PMOs to think in terms of capability portfolios rather than individual IT systems. It would also massively de risk the cutover process by enabling modern deployment techniques. This benefit naturally extends down to individual operators who would not have to straddle multiple systems or wait an extra year for a critical update to a legacy system. This also means that training happens gradually over time, removing a common source of resistance to change from end users.
Unlike competitors that take months to show results, our approach delivers an out of the box COTS platform, deployment, metrics, security, and more from day one. Teams can immediately operate at day two maturity, accelerating DevSecOps and enabling data driven decisions instead of gut instinct. Our vertical slice approach enables incremental change without team overhauls or long timelines. It integrates existing code and expertise, preserving institutional knowledge and reducing user disruption. Constant feedback loops guide the process forward, unlike traditional methods that rely on parallel teams, large rewrites, and risky big bang cutovers. This isn't just a microservice migration, it's a holistic transformation of your software practice. Built on best in class tools, libraries, and methods, we modernize the system and process behind it.
Hunter Strategy delivers tailored professional services to meet DoD mission needs of today and tomorrow. We provide flexible purchasing through fixed price and time and material contracts and are accessible through established UX and OTA consortia, ensuring that our defense customers have the solutions that they need when they need them.